Hello guys, today I will show you how to change the keyboard on your Android. So let's get started. So firstly open the settings app and just right after that go to the search and type in keyboard toolbar. Yes, that's what we need. And here, as you can see, you can change theme, for example, dark, or change mode, for example, one-handed or a floating keyboard. Also, you can change here size and transparency of the keyboard and the layout. And also in this tab, you can change the font size, and here you have the custom symbols. And also, if you want to reset all of the settings, just find this tab and tap on it. And then tap Reset. So now you know how to change your keyboard. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.